If you are a brand new Albert.io teacher and this is your first time using it, my suggestion would be to use the topics that Albert.io already has built in and to use the Smart Assign feature. You can select a specific topic that is aligned to whatever benchmark you are teaching, and you can do Smart Assign. So maybe there are 57 questions in a specific library and you only need 15. You can Smart Assign, and that will do a couple easy questions, a couple moderate questions, and a couple higher level questions.
As a young teacher, I mean, we bent over backwards to invent review games, but this can become a review game. You can make it that it's you and your partner are a team doing it together, and whichever team ends up with the highest, points, then they get, you could do anything with it. So
need some more inspiration on how to incorporate Albert into your classroom? Check out our new resource hub to learn how to build a growth mindset in your students, find engaging strategies, or plan your next classroom activity.